The National Crime Victim Law Institute is the only national nonprofit focused on legal advocacy to protect victims' rights. We work to ensure every victim has meaningful rights and remedies in every case, everywhere in this country. We cannot do the work alone. It takes partners across the country showing up for victims. In the spirit of those partnerships, each year NCVLI hosts Voices for Justice, a fundraising event during which the community comes together to celebrate the past year, honor leaders in the field, and get ready for another year of advancing victims' rights. The 2025 Voices for Justice was an inspiring night. Here are the highlights. Our keynote speaker was author of The Empathetic Attorney, Anna Marie Modis.
All of this to say, I cannot applaud all of you enough for taking the effort to think about your practice and how you can better be empathetic in the treatment of those that have experienced crime. Because I think it's the responsibility of those who know more to share, educate, and protect those who know less. And if there is any way that I could say that my experience has been positive, it's simply because of this. Being able to bring awareness for those that are in a position similar to mine and that do not have the skills or were not plugged into the right places beforehand to be able to rise above. And it's my hope that all of you will help your clients rise above.
We were also privileged to honor 3 amazing partners who model what it means to be a voice for justice. The Gail Burns Smith Excellence in Victim Services Award was given to Darlene Hutchinson Beal.
So I learned the parole system, and after I figured that out, that journalist in me, doing all that research, I wanted to help other people and show them the tricks of the trade, if you want to call it. And before I knew it, I had become a victim advocate and didn't plan it that way. And some years later, fast forward, and I've had the incredible opportunity to oversee the Office for Victims of Crime, as Meg was saying.
The Victims' Rights Partnership Award was given to the Bias Response Program of the Civil Rights Division of the Oregon Attorney General's Office.
And yet, we're still here. We are still here showing up for people, still here fighting for our values, which say that not one person should be targeted for hate and bias because of who they are, who they love, or how they worship, or where they are from. Still believing that bias is not just one individual's hate and bias, but a system of harm that requires a system of response. And you know what? It takes courage to hold back. It takes courage for our victims and survivors to continue coming forward for a system that may not believe them. It takes courage for our prosecutors and lawyers to stand in that courtroom and put bias on trial, hate on trial, when it can be easy to stay silent. And for our advocates to continue showing up every time. It takes courage. People's lives are at the center of this work, and they deserve nothing less. And that's why I'm particularly grateful for this partnership, Meg. It reminds us that we are not doing this work alone, that we are not alone. Let's keep going. Let's keep doing. And let's keep showing up for each other to show victims of hate and bias, victims of hate and violence and crime, you are not alone. Thank you.
The Advocacy Award was given to the Sexual Violence Legal Assistance Project at Pennsylvania Coalition to Advance Respect, who were unable to attend in person.
I am Ann Baker, and I am privileged to speak to you today on behalf of our team at Pennsylvania's Sexual Violence Legal Assistance Project, or SVLAP. No one ever plans to be a victim of crime. In the confusing and chaotic aftermath, crime victim advocates offer a just and compassionate place to support healing and seek justice for victims. We show up to be a voice for victims and to help victims rewrite their story.
NCVLI needs you now more than ever. To get involved in the movement, visit www.ncvli.org.